Is your Mercedes GLS Apple CarPlay connection constantly dropping while you drive? Data shows that 80% of intermittent CarPlay drops are resolved through simple cable or software resets. Let us break down the diagnostics to get you back to a stable connection. Start by swapping your cable for an MFI certified one, then clear the Bluetooth pairing from both the MBUX system and your phone. Dive into your MBUX settings to confirm the connection is set to automatic and disable Wi-Fi assist on your phone to prevent interference. Sometimes environmental factors like heavy radio interference or an overheating phone can trigger these frustrating disconnects. If the quick fixes fail, you might be looking at dealer-level hardware issues like a faulty USB port or outdated module firmware. As seen here, over half of all connection drops are traced back to a simple, worn-out charging cable. If you are desperate, perform a hard reboot of the MBUX system and reset your iPhone network settings to clear out any corrupt handshakes. Keep a small kit with compressed air and a high-quality cable, as keeping your ports clean is the best way to prevent future drops. Remember, consistency in your hardware setup is the real secret to a reliable, worry-free connection. Try these steps today and let us know in the comments if your CarPlay is finally staying connected.